Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Casey and I'm an Amazon seller. I've been doing it for about 2 years now, and I have created this channel to help people learn about how to sell on Amazon because it has changed my life and I know it can change yours as well. Everybody is having a great day and you are ready for the weekend. I know I am because this week has been crazy. That is why I have only uploaded 2 videos this week because my sales have just been crazy and trying to get all that in. Plus, my mom hasn't had a nurse, so I've been having to help out with my dad more this week. Hopefully her nurse will be back on Monday because like I said, it has just been crazy. But I've been enjoying all my one-on-one calls with people that I have been having this week. I've been getting to meet all y'all out there watching my videos, which has been nice because I love being able to meet y'all in person and actually be able to explain one-on-one about Amazon. So, of course, my one-on-one calls, our mentorship meeting, you can purchase on my website if you are interested in that. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to roll out something new and it will be on my website where y'all can go and check it out. But at the end of this video, I will announce what it is. So the video today is just going to be sourcing online because I have so many people that are wanting to learn that sourcing online a little bit more, because a lot of people do just say, hey, go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, scan, and then send it in FBA, but there are so many other parts to Amazon than just that. So I am going to kind of go a little bit deeper into sourcing online today and show y'all some tips and tricks with it. I will also be showing y'all some leads throughout the video, so make sure to stay tuned for the whole video to get those leads. I will be showing some leads that I'm posting in my Facebook group but not in YouTube, and if you are interested in the Facebook group, you can check it out in the description in this video. I'm giving everybody the first month free to try to get the community going and build the community, and we are also planning on doing a Zoom call this week, so pretty excited about that, just trying out new stuff and seeing how it works. So again, interested in that, go in the description. You can send a request to the Facebook group and I'll accept it for your first month free. Alright guys, so if you want some quick selling items, here is how you find them, because this is where you're going to see low sales rank items. You're going to go to all, then go to see all on shop by department. Again, this is the Amazon website, the consumer. This is where you go if you're going to buy stuff off of Amazon. I'm just going to do food and grocery, but you can do beauty and health, toys and games, any of that stuff on here. Grocery and gourmet food. And you can do any of these categories: breakfast, snacks, coffee, canned packaged food. I've done all these. Then I'm going to go down to top rated. These are all your quick selling items on Amazon right here underneath top rated. You do not want to go to best sellers, even though you might think, hey, best sellers. But if you go to best sellers, you're not going to get that many options. This is all you're going to get. It's 2 pages and it's not in the format like you see on top rated. And then top rated literally gives you 400 pages that you can go through of low sales rank items, and you can do this with any category. And then once I see something, so on this, a lot of times Amazon is on it because Amazon loves the quick selling stuff, so they're going to be on it. What you do is you can wait and see if Amazon goes off of it. Like this listing right here, I was selling this listing and Amazon was on it, off of it, on it, off of it. Right now they are on it for $13.28, but you can see on Keepa they were off of it from January 20th to February 23rd. And during that time, I was selling it like crazy myself. So sometimes these top selling items, Amazon will be off the listing for a little bit, and you can catch those sales while Amazon is off the listing. So the second way you can do it, and both of these ways is no extra product to buy. Yes, I do got Buy Bot Pro on there, which is, I think it was $30 a month, but I just do that because it's easier, but you don't need it. It's not necessary. Keepa, yes, you got to see that history, but all these other stuff you can source without it. Like tactical arbitrage, yes, I've used it, but you don't need it. I've done better without tactical arbitrage than I've done with it. And tactical arbitrage, I think, is $100 a month. So that is a big chunk. I mean, I don't know what y'all think about money, but money's hard to come around. And $100 is a big chunk to be spending every month to not get that investment back. And if I can do it without spending that $100, then I would rather do that. But here's the second way you can do it. Go to Walmart, go to Target, go to Sam's, go to Costco online, and you're just gonna go to a category. If I go to grocery, then I'm just gonna do Easter candy right now. Okay, here's all the Easter candy. So then I am going to take my phone and I'm going to scan each of these pictures right here, and I'm going to see if it pops up on Amazon. I'm using my Amazon app. I'm scanning the picture. So instead of scanning the barcode, I'm going to scan this picture and it should pull up. If it don't pull up, then you can copy the name on this. I can type it in here into Amazon and pull it up that way and see all the listings, but you're going to get a bunch of random stuff. So if it can pull up on your Amazon app, that's the easiest way to do it. But if not, try to enter it in on Amazon this way. So those are two ways you can do it, just the old-fashioned without any special software, except Keepa. You do need Keepa. Alright guys, this item right here I found by doing those same techniques that I just showed you. This item right here you can run out and get at Sam's. If you send it in FBA, you can get $3.10 profit off of it. And the sales rank is pretty low at 19,000. That's a pretty good sales rank, I think most of us will say. And if you look here, you can see Amazon's been on it a little bit, but not that much. A lot of times they are off of the listing, and this is the past 90 days. I can look over here and see that the person at $22.44, that they have a stock level of 24. Next one's got a stock level of 5. So you can see that most of the price is around 22 something. Lower stock levels, I mean 48's pretty high, but with that sales rank it would sell. So this right here, good item I found just by doing those techniques that I showed y'all earlier. Alright, here's another thing I want to show y'all real quick. So there can be multiple listings for one item. So for example, these crackers I just showed you, here's a listing right here, but if you go down a little bit more, here's another listing selling for a little bit more. So you just have to pay attention to that, because there are several listings for one product a lot of the time. So even if Amazon is on one of the listings, you might find a listing that's still selling that Amazon isn't on. So just always be on the lookout for that too. Alright guys, so this item right here, using the same techniques, is how I found this. The item price is $39. It costs $18.98. So if you're doing Amazon, you make $3. If you're doing your fulfillment, you would make $6.17. And this item would be pretty easy to ship, but I have put this item in my Amazon community Facebook group, so interested, check out that. I post leads all the time in there, just like this one. Okay guys, so literally all I'm doing right now to try to find products is I went to top rated, and I went to snacks, and then I went to crackers. You can go to all different kinds, like I've done chips before, or you can just look in general all the snacks or all the canned goods, whatever you want to look at. And I'm just going through here and I'm seeing, okay, is it sold by Amazon, sold by Amazon. I'm bypassing the ones that are sold by Amazon. because obviously they're not going to make me a profit. Amazon's going to win the buy box, and it's just not a good situation. But let's say this one right here, let's say if it was Amazon selling it, the only time I would even entertain checking out the product with Amazon on it is if it says like only 13 left in stock and it's a low sales rank and Amazon's on the listing. Then I will check it out. But what I will do is, like, let's take this for example. I will go in here and I will check Keepa and I will see how often is Amazon off the listing. Is it something that looks like it's going to be a good product? So I can see right here Amazon was off January 30th to January 31st, and then they were off February 24th to February 25th. So 2 days out of 90 days, that's going to be a no-go item for me. But let's say, hey, it was a good item and Amazon stays off the listing for like days at a time and they're just not in stock much and it's a low sales rank. I will copy and paste it into my Google to see where I can get the item at, and am I going to be able to get the item? Is the item easy to get? Do I have to order it? Do I got to go pick it up? I can look at all those scenarios. So I can see right here Walmart's got it, but it's underneath a third-party seller. If you ever see sold and shipped by somebody on Walmart, that is a third-party seller on Walmart. Walmart also has third-party sellers just like Amazon does. I do not typically buy from third-party sellers on Walmart. I typically only buy from Walmart. So another time that I will not jump on a Amazon listing is like this one right here. It says 16 left in stock, but more on the way. They got a little bit left in stock, but they're getting more. So it's just not going to be a listing that I would probably want to sell. But I can go and check Keepa and see if Amazon does actually go off the listing. And I can see from here the last 90 days, Amazon does not go off the listing any. So even though it says only that in stock, Amazon stays in stock most of the time. So, like I say, false alarm. So here's another listing right here. I can see that when I go to Keepa, Amazon has been on it a good chunk. But here lately, for some reason, they have been sold out since March 9th. So that might be something I can look into, especially if I can go out to my Walmart right now and grab it, which I'm pretty sure I could. Let me look it up real quick. Yeah, I can go to Walmart or I can go to Target and pick it up and grab it. It is $6.68 at Walmart. So if you send it in FBA, it is $2.35 in profit. But in this scenario, I would be kind of iffy to send it into FBA because you don't know when Amazon might get back on the listing. So with this product right here, I would do merchant field. I don't know if it makes profit. I'm just giving y'all an example. But I wouldn't do FBA on this one because you don't know when Amazon's going to get back in stock. With FBM, I can go out, get it, sell it, ship it all in one day. Versus with FBA, I'm going to have to send it to Amazon. Might have to wait 2 weeks. By then, Amazon could be on the listing. So that is why I say it is so case by case. And these items that Amazon are not on the listing and on the listing, not on the listing, on the listing, they're good sellers because most of the time Amazon is going to be on listings that sell quick because they want to sell their items. But they're going to sell it at lower prices. So once they're off the listing, we can come in and sell it at higher prices. And customers are still going to buy it because they want the convenience. And they order all their stuff off Amazon. Alright, this is another one that just makes sense, merchant field. So these right here, I just looked up. You can get them at Walmart. They're in a pack of 4 that has 12 snacks in each of them. And you can see down here, Amazon is on and off a lot. Of course, when Amazon is off the listing, it's selling for a higher price that we can sell it at. And you can see here, they were just on it not too long ago. And now they've been off of it for a little bit. I can go down here and I can check and see, okay, the stock level on these sellers are low. And it goes all the way up to $50. Even if you put 50, I don't know how much shipping. I'm going to just say about $9 on shipping. Your ROI is going to be 30% on this. Your profit's $7.82. Remember, do what works for your business. But this is another item right here that makes sense just doing it FBM because Amazon's off the listing for a little bit. And you can also get these at Target too. Alright, so here is another one I have posted in my group, the Amazon community group. It is selling for $12.67. You can get it at Walmart for $4.38. Very light to ship, about $4. So if you're going to ship it yourself, $3.28. If you're going to send it in Amazon, $1.47. I post leads like this all the time in that group if you want to check it out. Alright guys, so that will be it for today. That's just a couple of tips and tricks about me sourcing online because I get asked that so much. And it also kind of breaks down if I choose FBA or if I choose FBM. So I told y'all I'm rolling out something new today and I was going to tell you at the end of the video. So what it is, there's a month flat rate on this, and basically you get my number and you can text me at any time, any kind of questions that you might have. Also included in it is the Facebook group and a free 60-minute call each month that we can set up. Call, Zoom, however you want to do it. So again, it's a flat rate fee. You get my phone number. You can text me with any questions that you might have about Amazon whenever, and I will respond back. You get the Facebook group that you can also ask questions in, get leads to, a 60-minute call or Zoom to ask me anything, talk about anything about Amazon that you need to. And I will help you through this process. It is like a more one-on-one mentorship. With this, I'm only going to do a limited amount of spots. So right now I'm going to start out with 10 people. So once those get filled up, I will let you know. But for now, I am launching it today when this video is posted. And y'all can jump in and try to get those spots. If I can see I'll handle more, I'll add in more. Also, whenever they're full, I'll let you know. And whenever somebody drops out, I'll let you know. So that's that. Go check it out on my website if you are interested in that. I will be posting probably 2 videos next week. I am really busy right now with it being Easter and just a lot of other stuff going on. So it will be 2 videos for right now until I get settled back down. I do not know what I'm going to do a video on. I'll probably do a video more to like a specialty and then do a video just of sourcing and tips and everything, kind of like the video today. If y'all have any suggestions of what you might want to see, put it in the comments below. Of course, if you got any questions, put it in the comments below. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video today, make sure you like the video. It really helps me out and keeps me able to make these videos for you guys. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos weekly about how to sell on Amazon. I talk about FBA, FBM, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. Remember, if you need to get ungated, I still got my ungated guys that are in a video format, and also there's a Facebook group along with that, and you can check out that on my website. The link to my website is in the description in this video. Remember, I have the hour mentorship just for people that might want that one-on-one and don't need all the coaching in the world. So if you would like to check that out, it's on my website also. So guys, I will see y'all next week. So until next time, bye.